Today, I've got a routine for you for when you're feeling stressed. The quickest way to change our energy and how we feel is through breathing. Let's start off with a hand on our belly and one hand on our chest. We'll breathe in to the belly, ribs and chest. Breathing out, chest, ribs, belly. In, belly, ribs, chest. And out, chest, ribs, belly, creating a wave. Breathing in and out. And this is called wave breathing. Breathing in and out. We'll do a few more in our own time. And we'll do one last one, breathing into our belly, ribs and chest, out, chest, ribs and belly. We'll bend our arms and we'll do spinal cord breathing. So breathing in, looking up, and breathing out, creating that C curve in our spine. Breathing in and out. And I'll show you from the side what it looks like. Breathing in and out. Breathing in, looking up and out, creating that C curve. We'll do a few more in our own time. And see if you can slow down your breathing. And then we'll do one last one, breathing in, looking up to the sky if you can. And breathing out, creating that C curve, releasing our hands down. And notice how you feel compared to when we started. Let me know if this routine made you feel better. And if you want to help me out, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.